Hey, what's up YouTube? I am coming at you with a box of the newest product to be released just yesterday, 2013-14 Hockey Trilogy. Let's see what comes out of a box. Hopefully a Wayne Gretzky autograph. That's all I really want. Or Bobby Orr. These little mini boxes, pretty cool. 5 cards per pack, 3 packs per box. Let's do it. Box 1. Should have brought scissors. Whoops. Alright. Alright. Pack 1. Looks like it's an autograph. Kind of ruined the surprise. Maybe I won't read out the names. This guy, I won't say his name. Cam Neely. And the hit of the box, or hit of the level 2 rookie autograph, Emerson Edom. That's numbered 3 out of 399. Up to, I don't know, actually. Oh, they actually give a write-up about the person on the back, which is better than nothing. Keep seeing the name on the back. Shit, I think I know who it is. Oh, it's clear. Bobby Ryan. Damn, I wish it was Bobby Orr. But there's more than 5 cards in this. It's Marc-Andre Fleury. Trilogy ice scripts. My second autograph of Marc-Andre Fleury. I would trade this card, whoever PC's Marc-Andre Fleury. Pretty cool card, nonetheless. Okay, I'm going to try looking at it from the front so I don't spoil the... Ryan Miller. There's going to be a Trilogy, Ray Borg, Zdeno Chara, and Dougie Hamilton. Triple jersey, past, present, and future. Alrighty, that's box 1. Let's keep going. Alright, I just saw the back of it. It's a good one too. Marian Gaborik, Brain Shen. What's it numbered out of? 699. But it's Jonathan Huberdeau, Calder Trophy winner. It's pretty, numbered 86 out of 699. 3rd overall pick in 2011. Does it say he won the Calder in this? No, it doesn't. I'm happy with that hit. The next card is one of those I'll just ruin it right now. Mikhail Grigorenko. Is this kind of... Oh, here's the base. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Burnaby, British Columbia, hometown boy. I was born in Burnaby too. Crystal Premiers, Miguel Grigorenko, 60 out of 75. That's a pretty low number. I would assume, is this a rookie card? If it is, then that could fetch a pretty penny, I guess. C54. That's kind of cool, actually, the way it looks. It's like a piece of glass. Alright, let's keep going. Hitting 6 minutes. I think I saw who it was. It was a Ranger. Could be Messier, or not Messier. Yeah, it could be Messier too. Or it could be Gretzky. Halak. Sagan. I believe this is an autograph, and if it's a Gretzky, I'm gonna flip my shit. Left wing. Oh, it's Rick Nash. That's a good one. Sticker auto. I'm pretty happy with that guy. Don't have his autograph. Not too shabby. Pretty good. Potential Hall of Famer? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, 2 more autographs. And oh, that puck signing still. Let's see if I can feel it. Which one's the heaviest? I think the puck's in here. We'll see if I'm right. They actually feel all the same, actually. Shit, shit, shit. I don't want to see who it is. Okay, Tuukka Rask. And the hit. It's a triple jersey again. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, it's Chara again, Marian Gaborik, and Marian Hossa. National Trios. All from, where are they from? Slovakia. Alright. 2 more autographs. This is the rookie autograph. It was a Devil. Who plays for the Devils? I don't think he's good. It's numbered out of 699 again. Stefan Matteau. Okay, this better be the puck signing, because I'm curious to see what those cards are like. It's a thicker card. Tavares, Curry, Doan. Is this? I already have a Bobby Orr base card. And it is Jeff Skinner! Yeah! That's a cool... Man, I'm happy with all the autographs. Yeah, that's a piece of rubber. Gold ink, kind of running out of ink. And it's not numbered. Alright, let's do a recap. 10 minutes, under 10 minutes. Let's do it quick. Jeff Skinner, sweet, super thick. Stefan Matteau, out of 699. Trilogy, National Trios, Star Spotlight, Slovakia. Hossa, Gaborik, Chara. Rick Nash, base, parallel autograph. Mikhail Grigorenko out of 75, Crystal Premiers. Jonathan Huberdeau out of 699, wicked player. Past, present, future stars of Ray Borg, Zdeno Chara, Dougie Hamilton, and Marc-Andre Fleury ice scripts, and Emerson Edom Trilogy rookie auto level 2. That's all she wrote. That's my box. I think I'm very happy with it, including, yeah, that's all I can say is pretty much thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your evening. Cheers. Bye.